topic is called rational exponent quotient rule. So when you have the same base, in this case it's u, raised to exponents, and then it's in a fraction, you subtract the exponent. Now, I know that 3/5 is bigger than 2/7. So I know that my answer will be in the denominator. So I'm going to have 1 over u, and then I have to figure out what 3/5 minus 2/7 is. So let's work on that here. So 3/5 minus 2/7. So we have to get a common denominator, which is going to be 35. 5 times 7 is 35. So we have to do 3 times 7, and 7 times 5, and 2 times 5. So that would be 21 35ths minus 10 35ths, which is 11 35ths. And that's what I'm going to type in for my new exponent. Now, if you didn't know that 3/5 was bigger than 2/7, and maybe you did 2/7 minus 3/5, I'll show you what that looks like. So let's say you did 2/7 minus 3/5, you're going to have 10 35ths minus 21 35ths, which becomes a negative. So you'd have u raised to the negative 11 35ths. Wait, but we don't want negative exponents. They said they want positive exponents. So we will put 1 over. So that negative means to do the reciprocal. So we'll put it 1 over, and that's how we get the answer. So it's okay if you don't know like which one's bigger. The positive exponent will be in the place where the bigger exponent was. So 3/5 is bigger, so it needs to be in the denominator. That's another way to look at it. Okay. Let's do another one. They're not making this very easy with having to get common denominators, but that's okay. So 3/4 and 7/8. I think 7/8 is bigger. So let's do 7/8 minus 3/4. So if we subtract 7/8 minus 3/4, we can change this to 8 by timesing by 2. So 7/8 minus 6/8 is equal to 1/8, which is positive. So the 7/8 is in the numerator, so our answer will just be y raised to that power. So our answer has to stay in the numerator. So it would be y to the 1/8. Because 7/8 was bigger and this y to 7/8 is in the numerator, our answer will be in the numerator, or in other words, it won't be a fraction anymore. Okay, so P.S. Please subscribe to my channel, like any videos that you find helpful. All right, let's do another one. So we have 1/3 and 7/9. I think 7/9 is bigger. Let's see. So let's do 7/9 minus 1/3. We could change this to 9 by timesing by 3. So 7/9 minus 3/9 is 4/9. So look at where the 7/9 is. It's in the denominator. So our answer will be 1 over. So we need to have that w raised to the 4/9, which is what we got when we subtracted those two exponents. And that's the end of the lesson.